Welcome to the Blister Point of Interest tutorial. In this guide, we'll show you how to add a blister POI to an asset in Abyss Fabric V2. This tool allows you to manage the entire inspection process digitally, giving you full control of asset assessments without needing to be on site. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Query tab, which allows you to search for specific assets. Abyss Fabric offers several ways to locate an asset. Enter the equipment tag and hit Apply Query. On the right-hand side, a list of relevant components will appear on the component panel. Once you've selected a component, the system will isolate the line in the 3D viewer for a closer inspection. Let's now look at the asset's condition. On the left side, click the paint icon to visualize different asset conditions. Turn on the heavy corrosion filter to observe affected areas. Next, use the Find Viewpoint feature to zoom in on a corroded area. Click Find Viewpoint, and a set of image thumbnails will display on the right side. These thumbnails show different perspectives of the asset, allowing you to select the best view for examination. Choose the thumbnail that clearly shows the corroded area. In the image view, you can now clearly see the corrosion spot. This is where we'll add a blister POI to mark the defect. To add the POI, go to the right side of the screen next to the component panel and click the blister icon. Select the center of the blister within the image view on the corroded surface, then click on the farthest edge of the blister. By clicking slightly beyond the blister, you'll help the system generate a more accurate profile. After the system generates the blister profile, a dialog box will appear so that you can fill in details about the blister. An estimated blister height will be provided, but you can adjust it manually if necessary. Add your recommendations, inspection priority, and due date. After completing the required fields, click Add POI. The blister POI is now successfully added to the asset. It will appear on the right-hand side of the screen with its associated details. You can attach media, such as images or notes, to this POI to provide additional context. This blister is now linked to the asset and accessible from multiple locations within Abyss Fabric. Additionally, an icon will appear next to the blister in the viewer, indicating that it is the governing blister on the asset, the most critical among all identified blisters. From here, you can review, edit, or take further actions, ensuring that your inspection is thorough and all critical areas are addressed.